Good afternoon, sir. Welcome to the Konditorei Himmelblau. How can I help you today?
Good afternoon. Wow, everything in here looks absolutely delicious. The cakes in your display are works of art.
Thank you very much. We are very proud of our pastries. Are you looking for a small treat for yourself this afternoon, or perhaps a cake to take home?
I am here for a cake, but it is one that I have already ordered. I am here to pick up a special order.
Of course, you have come to the right place. We have a special section for our pre-ordered cakes to make the pickup process as quick and easy as possible.
That is great to hear. The shop is very busy today, so I was hoping I would not have to wait in the long queue.
No, you certainly do not. I can help you right now. Do you have the name the order was placed under?
I do. The order was placed under my name, Mark. That is M-A-R-K.
Okay, Mark. Let me just check our order book for today. We have quite a few special orders for this Saturday. Here we are. I have found your order.
That is a relief.
I will just confirm a few details with you to make sure I have the correct cake. The order is for a birthday cake for a friend's party tonight. Is that correct?
Yes, that is exactly right. It is for my friend Lucas's 30th birthday, so it is a very important celebration. I want everything to be perfect.
A 30th birthday is a very special milestone. We will make sure your cake is absolutely perfect for the occasion. Now, my order form says that you chose our most famous cake, the classic soccer torte.
Yes, Lucas is from Vienna, so I thought the most traditional and iconic Viennese cake would be the perfect choice. He loves chocolate.
An excellent choice. Our soccer torte is made with our traditional family recipe. The order was for a large size to serve approximately 12 to 16 people. Does that all sound correct to you?
Yes, that is all perfectly correct. A large Sacher torte for my friend Lucas.
Wonderful. I am so glad we have confirmed all the details. Now for the exciting part. I will just go to our cold storage room and bring your cake out for you. I will only be one moment.
Thank you so much. I am quite excited to see it.
Okay, Mark, I have your beautiful cake right here.
The box is very elegant.
We believe the presentation is just as important as the taste. Now, before I seal the box for you, would you like to have a look at the cake? I always recommend that our customers do a final check just to make sure they are completely happy with it.
Yes, please. I would love to see it.
Of course. I will just open the lid carefully. There you are. What do you think?
Wow. It is absolutely stunning. It is so much more beautiful than I imagined. The chocolate glaze is so shiny and perfect, like a dark mirror. And the elegant chocolate scroll work around the edge is a beautiful touch.
I am so happy you like it. Our head pastry chef is a true artist. He takes great pride in his work. The cake looks beautiful, and I can assure you that it tastes even better than it looks. Now for the most important detail of all, the birthday message.
Yes, the inscription. I asked for a message to be written on top of the cake in white chocolate.
That is right. The order says you requested the message, "Happy 30th birthday, Lucas." Could you please check it very carefully for me? We want to make sure the spelling of the name is correct and that the message is exactly as you wanted it.
Of course, I am looking at it now. HAPPY 3OTHBIRTHDAY and the name LUKAS. Yes, the spelling is perfect and the message is perfect.
And the handwriting? Our pastry chef, who specializes in calligraphy, is the only one who does our inscriptions.
The handwriting is beautiful. It is so elegant and professional. I could never write that neatly, especially not with chocolate. I am 100% happy with it. It is perfect.
I am so relieved and happy to hear that. That is the most important check. There is nothing worse than a birthday cake with the wrong name spelled on it.
That would be a disaster, but this one is absolutely flawless.
Wonderful. In that case, I will now carefully place the lid back on the box and seal it for you with our signature ribbon.
Thank you. It is a very special cake for a very special occasion.
It is. Now I need to give you some important instructions for how to transport and store the cake before the party tonight.
Oh, yes, please. I want to make sure I do not damage it on my way home.
This cake box is very strong and sturdy, so it will protect the cake well. But it is very important that you carry it with 2 hands and that you always keep it flat and level.
Carry it with 2 hands and keep it flat. I will be very careful.
Please do not tilt the box or the cake might slide and get damaged. If you are driving, the best place to put it is on the flat floor of the car, not on the seat, which is often angled.
That is a very useful tip. I will put it on the floor of the passenger side. And what about when I get home? Should I put the cake in the refrigerator?
That is a common question. A sacerdote is actually best when it is not too cold. The refrigerator can sometimes make the chocolate glaze a little too hard. I would recommend you just store it in this box in a cool, dry room away from any direct sunlight. It will be perfectly fine for a few hours until the party starts.
Keep it in a cool, dry room. That is very good to know. I would have put it straight in the fridge. Thank you for all these professional tips. I am sure I have all the information I need to get this cake to the party safely.
I am sure you will be a perfect cake guardian.
Oh, I have just had a terrible thought, a sudden realization.
What is it? Is something wrong?
It is something I have completely forgotten about. It is a very important part of any birthday cake celebration.
What have you forgotten?
The candles. A 30th birthday cake needs candles on it, and I have completely forgotten to buy any. I do not have any at home.
Oh no, you are right. You cannot have a proper birthday celebration without making a wish and blowing out the candles.
I know. I cannot believe I forgot something so simple. Do you, by any chance, sell birthday candles here in your shop? Please say you do. It would save me from having to make another stop at the supermarket.
You are in luck. We do sell a small but very nice selection of birthday candles. We try to be a one-stop shop for all your party needs.
That is the best news I have heard all day. You are a lifesaver. Where are they?
They are just over here in this little display stand. As you can see, we have a few different options. We have the classic, simple, colorful candles in a box, or for a special birthday, like a 30th, many people like to use the number candles.
Number candles, of course. So I could get a number 3 and a number 0. That is a brilliant idea. It is much more special than just a lot of small candles.
I agree. It looks very elegant on the cake. We also have these ones, which are very fun. They are called sparkler candles. When you light them, they do not just have a flame, they sparkle like a firework.
The sparkler candles look very exciting, but I think for a classic Schachtertorte, the elegant number candles are the better choice. I will take one number 3 and one number 0, please.
An excellent decision. Now, is there anything else I can help you with today? Do you need a special cake knife or server? Or any matching paper plates or napkins for the party?
You have thought of everything. I do have a cake knife at home, but some nice napkins are a great idea. Yes, I will take a pack of these elegant dark blue napkins. They will look very nice with the cake.
The number candles and the dark blue napkins are a very stylish choice. I will just bring these items over to the cash register for you.
Thank you. You have been so incredibly helpful. You have solved my candle emergency.
It is my pleasure. I am just here to make sure your celebration is perfect. Okay, so I will just calculate your final bill.
Great. I know I paid a deposit when I first ordered the cake online last week.
That is correct. Let me just check my system. Yes, I can see here that you paid a 50% deposit of €40 when you placed the order.
So I just need to pay the remaining balance for the cake, plus the cost of the candles and the napkins I have just added.
Precisely. The remaining balance on the cake is €40. The number candles are €3 each, so that is €6. And the pack of napkins is €4.
So that is 40 plus 6 plus 4. That comes to a final total of €50.
That is exactly right. €50 is the final amount to pay today.
€50. That is perfect.
And how would you like to pay for that today, Mark? We accept cash or any major debit or credit card?
I will pay by card, please. I do not have that much cash with me.
Of course. Not many people carry a lot of cash these days. I will just get the payment terminal for you. You can tap your card here whenever you are ready.
Okay. I will just use the contactless payment. It is so fast.
It is. Okay, the payment has been approved. Thank you very much. Would you like a receipt for your final payment?
Yes, please. A receipt would be great, just for my records.
No problem at all. I am just printing that for you now. Here you are. And let me just place your candles and your beautiful napkins into a small bag for you.
Thank you. This has been such a smooth and pleasant experience. I was expecting it to be very stressful on a busy Saturday.
We try our best to make it a calm and enjoyable experience for our customers, even on our busiest days. Okay, Mark, you are all set. Here is your small bag with the party supplies, and here is the main event, your beautiful birthday cake delicioso.
Thank you. I will be very, very careful with it.
Please do. Just remember the instructions. Carry it with 2 hands, keep it flat, and store it in a cool, dry room until the party.
I will remember everything. I will guard it with my life.
I am so glad I could help you today. I really hope your friend Lucas has a wonderful 30th birthday party tonight.
I'm sure he will. And I know that he is going to be absolutely amazed when he sees this stunning cake. It is going to be the star of the show.
That is what we love to hear. It is a real privilege for us to be a small part of people's special celebrations.
Well, you have done an amazing job. Thank you again for your incredible service and your attention to detail. You have been fantastic.
It has been my absolute pleasure. Have a wonderful time at the party tonight and enjoy the Sachertorte.
We will. Thank you. Goodbye.